how to delete all projects from CapCut at once in PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open CapCut on your device, and now if you want to delete all your projects, then simply long press on a blank space on your screen and then scroll through or drag through to the projects that you want to delete. Once you have selected all the projects that you want to delete, you will see the option for delete at the bottom. So simply tap on the delete option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on OK. And with this, all your videos and your projects will be moved to the trash. So you can then tap on the trash option if you want to delete it from your trash too, and then tap on the grid-like icon you see there, and further go ahead and select all the projects at once by simply dragging through and selecting the projects, or you can also tap on the Ctrl-A keys on your keyboard. Further, tap on the delete option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the delete option, and with this the items will be deleted permanently and you will not be able to recover them. So this is how you can delete all projects on your CapCut PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.